Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix this person is not on WhatsApp. In most cases guys, if you're trying to text someone and the person literally shows they are not on WhatsApp, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now let me try testing out this number. Now come over here and try texting this number and see. You can see this one is on WhatsApp, but if that person you're trying to text isn't on WhatsApp, what you have to do is quite simple. You'll have to send an invitation to them and invite them to text with you on WhatsApp. And how you're going to do it is quite simple. Just come to your messages themselves. Once you come to the messages, just come to search over here, then paste the message of that person you're trying to invite on WhatsApp. Paste the number of that person. After that, you then go ahead and come over here in the message area. Then you'll have to send your WhatsApp profile link. Come back to WhatsApp, tap on settings. Now here you can choose what you want to do. You can tap on this share icon, then copy your profile link. Now go ahead and send them the profile link over here like this, and then hit send. Now once you tap in that link, they'll be requested to register on WhatsApp so they can text with you. So thanks for watching guys, we shall meet.